In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the entire process from visiting the website to getting your account ready to use so you can start managing your finances with confidence. Feel free to pause and follow along on your own computer as we go. First, open your web browser and head to the official QuickBooks website for your region. It's important to use the official site so you're getting the correct pricing, currency, and support options for where you live. Once you're on the homepage, look for the section that mentions QuickBooks Online, which is their cloud-based accounting product. Next, you'll want to choose a plan. Look for a link or menu item that says Plans and Pricing for QuickBooks Online. On this page, you'll see several different subscription levels, each with different features. You'll usually have two main options. You can start a 30-day free trial, or you can go straight into a paid plan, which often comes with a limited time discount. Take a moment to read the feature descriptions under each plan and pick the one that best matches your business size and needs. If you're unsure, starting with the free trial can be a safe way to test things out. As you move forward, you may be prompted to add optional features like payroll, payments, or live expert services. These add-ons can help with things like paying employees, accepting customer payments, or getting live help. But keep in mind that some of them might not be included if you're on a free trial. Only select what you know you need right now. You can usually add more services later. Now it's time to create your Intuit account, which is the login you'll use for QuickBooks. If you're a brand new user, you'll see a sign-up page where you'll enter an email address, a mobile number, and create a secure password. Choose an email you check often, because this is where you'll receive important account notifications. If you already use another Intuit product, like tax or personal finance tools, you can simply sign in with that same email and password, and then follow the prompts to add QuickBooks Online to your existing profile. Once you're signed in, you'll go through a short setup wizard where you'll enter basic information about your business. This usually includes your company name, business address, and the type of industry you're in. Try to be as accurate as possible here, because QuickBooks will use this information to tailor recommendations and default settings for your account. Finally, just follow the remaining on-screen instructions to finish the setup. QuickBooks may ask a few additional questions to customize your dashboard and suggest features or workflows that fit your business. When you reach your main dashboard, you're officially ready to start using QuickBooks Online. From here, you can begin exploring features like invoicing, expense tracking, and reports, all built on the foundation you just set up.